Hi, I'm Mark Pacelli. I'm here with Garry Garver from IBM, and we're here to talk about Garry's use of EcoStruxure Asset Advisor. Garry, you had your first experience with Asset Advisor over the course of the past year, and I'm curious about what you set out to do with your use of this tool, and what kind of assets were you monitoring?
Yeah, so in late 2017, Schneider approached IBM and offered this service, and I didn't have anything to lose. It was a pilot, and I was not really familiar with Asset Advisor, but so we had the system set up and for monitoring, and we chose a double-ended substation, a UPS system, sort of a 3 megawatt block of IT capacity, and added an ambient sensor, and then utilized the existing communications to talk to the service bureau remotely.
Okay. And you operated over, what, the course of the past year or so? You collected data?
I'd say the data collection was for a few months, and some of the early reports identified some issues. So,
what kind of stuff did you learn? I'm most curious about that.
Yeah, mostly transformer related, which again, the data center was fairly new. It was commissioned fully, so it was surprising. One of the findings was that the fans were not coming on and cooling the coils like they should. They were actually allowing the transformers to get well above its intended temperature. So we actually went in and changed the settings for the fans and the settings for the alarms on the transformer. And it also identified typically in a three-phase transformer, the center coil will be hottest because it cannot dissipate the heat as well. But it was indicating that one of the phases on the end was the hotter coil. So we believe that the wiring is crossed up and that it's giving a false indication on that.
Yeah, and you've had a lot of experience in managing data centers at the operations level. Is this kind of thing extraordinary or unexpected, or does this stuff happen periodically?
It was unexpected. It's not. I'd say the fans not coming on would be a significant problem down the road, because that extra heat is going to reduce the life of that transformer. And it was so latent and so hidden. That's what gets me, is this was something that operators walked by every day and did not notice this problem. We had done shutdowns and so forth and not noticed this problem. So I like the fact that all the service bureau, the SMEs are in the background running their algorithms, running their analytics, and found such a hidden type problem.
Yeah, yeah. And did you also learn or plan out or learn a difference in your operational methodology, the opportunity to kind of collect data, and how did it affect your overall staffing and that sort of thing?
I think it allows you to do more with less. It's another set of eyes and ears, a pulse on the system. So, in these days of limited staffing, limited resources, and cost cutting, it's a way to, keep the service level high and with the monitoring, and not relying so much on the human resources to get in there and keep track of problems with the equipment.
Well, good. Well, thank you for your quick overview. Appreciate it.
Thanks, Mark.